How to turn on or turn off number row on Grammarly keyboard. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable and disable the number row on Grammarly keyboard, easy and fast. So all what you have to do guys is go to Grammarly. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Choose the first option, click on keyboard customization. Now after you choose keyboard customization, it will take you to this page. Now go down and you will find number row option. You can enable it from here or disable it. Easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.